I'm Adam Jackson, co-founder and CEO of Doctor On Demand. So we took a look at the healthcare space and said, why is it so difficult to just talk to a doctor about a minor thing, non-emergency medical issue? And even if you have good insurance, it can be hard to get in. And by getting in, I mean, maybe why should you have to go in for everything, right? Maybe you just have a question. So we started there and decided, wow, technology now lets you video chat. Almost any phone or tablet can video chat. And we said, this might be a good time to build an app that lets you actually see a doctor face-to-face over video. We spent lots of time and resources learning about what are the different regulations in different states. In California, they like to have a video face-to-face connection. In other states, smaller states, that they say, we're not ready for this yet. So we stay out of places like that. Doctors they went to med school so they can see patients and help people feel better sooner, right? So our platform is totally paperless. We built our own EMR, so doctors just practice within our application. They don't have to fax anything. They don't have to call pharmacies. All they do is just see patients all day long during their shift. So, and they can work from home. If you think about all the jobs out there that now have work from home components, like yours does, like mine does, and medicine's one of the last fields that never got their work from home day. So a lot of doctors really love the flexibility. We took a hard look at other healthcare software packages, and we were pretty disappointed in the user experience. So we thought, this is a good opportunity for us to be differentiated amongst either competitors or other analog care delivery systems. So we take design very seriously. We put a lot of work into making our app, primarily, first and foremost, very user-friendly. Lead you down a very clear path of steps that you need to do before you can talk to a doctor. And if we're not usable to the consumer, then it doesn't matter how good the doctor is, right? You're not going to get through the process. Fundraising can be challenging. This is my third venture-backed company, so it definitely gets easier as you go. But I remember being the first timer and getting no spouted to me in every different way possible. So I would say the best piece of advice, and I learned the hard way, is create some FOMO, some fear of missing out. Generating competition, whether it's substantive or not, whether it's real or not, I think goes a long way with creating buzz about your investment round. But at the end of the day, look, you got to deliver too. There's no disingenuous people aren't going to trick smart investors. And so you really got to believe that this is going to work, and it may not work the way you're proposing it to, but you're going to get there, right? You have to show that dedication. Before you go down the road of starting your own business and raising the capital and building the team, do a gut check and make sure this is really something that you're willing to dedicate your life, your whole life, if it takes it, to making this come true, to seeing this idea to fruition. And you should be solving a problem, right? It should be something that you will do whatever it takes to get it there. And you have to really believe that, because after the funding announcement and then for a week, TechCrunch and everybody loves you, and then all the glory goes away and you're back down in the pits. And learn to love that phase, because it may never end for you. I've certainly been there myself.